Hi everyone, my name is Francesca Frontini and I'm a teacher of English in an Italian high school. I teach my students the preliminary and the first certificate as part of their journey with learning English. What I enjoy most in teaching Cambridge English Qualifications is that I love when my students show that they love learning languages, not because they have to, but because they want to. Cambridge English Qualifications don't just focus on one or two aspects. They really cover everything, and students develop reading, listening, speaking, writing skills. Furthermore, our students know that wherever they go, their language skills are going to be recognized and accepted with a Cambridge English qualification, and they feel sure when communicating in English.
Buenos días, my name is Martina and I started teaching Cambridge English Qualifications 4 years ago. My students are preparing B1, B2 and C1. What I enjoy the most about teaching those qualifications is the ability to see how my students progress and with that results being able to motivate them. One of the most important benefits that those qualifications have without the shadow of a doubt is being internationally recognized. Those qualifications have helped my students a lot with their personal goals, but also with university and obviously with the possibility of traveling all around the world.
My name is Diego. I'm an English teacher. I'm 32 and I've been teaching English for 5 years now. When you tell students that you are preparing them for exams and you teach them the CEFR, you get an objective and comprehensible way of showing the students where he is in terms of linguistic competences, and that gives them a perspective, a clear purpose. So that's why I believe taking exams is paramount.